2023 is already shaping up to be a challenging year for most global economies. While economic outlook for 2023 is one of a mild recession, the commercial vehicle service and maintenance industry is reporting a largely positive outlook for shops. In a recent Voice of Customer survey focused on shops and fleets, Nargon discovered that 8 in 10 respondents believe that the economy is either in recession or will be approaching a recession. Yet, 6 in 10 either felt positive or very positive about the business outlook for their shops. This is because in recessionary phases, fleets tend to delay equipment purchase and extract greater levels of utilization and uptime from their existing assets. Check out our new Outlook study titled Unpacking Commercial Vehicle Diagnostics Market 2023 to learn more about how economic, technology, and market trends will drive growth opportunities for your business this year.